Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Google price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly chart here for Google to see where are we heading. And as you can see, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 a finished impulse toward the upside for wave 3 here in your yellow scenario. And with this, of course, yellow scenario, you have already a 1-2 formation, which has started, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3 in the yellow, and then correction, of course, a very sharp ABC zigzag for your wave 4, and continuation for higher prices towards the upside, of course, for a wave 5, probably in your yellow count. If you take a closer look at this wave, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a wave 3, and you are currently in a bigger wave 4 and still looking for higher prices. Let's take a closer look, of course, on the daily here. On the daily, we have, of course, this setup that we saw, of course, in our latest analysis, which is working perfectly. As we can see, of course, we were expecting still a bigger wave 4 toward the downside, and here we go. We are still inside this wave, corrective wave, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 5, of course, to be finished. You are currently inside your wave 4 here, which is an expanding flat A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 3 waves down, 3 waves up. Impulsive, of course, wave for a wave C here to reach a perfectly the 1.38, 1.618 between $135 and $144 for Google. Now, if we take even a closer look inside this latest move toward the downside, of course, we can see that, yeah, this was expected even a little bit retracement to close the gap for a wave 2, and then continuation toward the downside. But obviously that Google would not do this. Looks like your wave 1 is already finished with a shallow wave 2, and looking, of course, in a rush toward the downside with a big, massive wave 3, 4, and a 5 to hit this, of course, blue box, and closing this gap later on with a wave 5. This gap means, of course, that you still have one more wave toward the upside, so we're coming back soon or later to close this gap with this final wave 5, and which is preferably to hit, of course, this blue box again with our target here for 1-to-1 taken from the lowest of this impulse to the wave 3 here, and giving us a 1-to-1 fib level 232, of course, or even a little bit less for 215, finishing this wave 5 in, of course, in this correction wave 4, and then finishing this wave 5 almost to be the same, of course, the same price and the same length probably of this wave 1. However, your wave 1 here is very, very shallow, therefore your wave 5 might be very, very long. This is also a guideline from Elliott wave theory. When you have, of course, a shallow wave 1, expect an extended wave 5. That was it for Google. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.